You come to girl parties often?
I don't come at all.
Can I change that for you?
Just got to the hotel.
I want to get married in the garden at the old mill.
You didn't say goodbye last night.
One drink. Take me somewhere.
You okay, sweetie? Did you call the planner about booking the wedding?
I haven't had time. I don't want to think about my life.
I'm memorizing every part of you.
I've never done anything like this before.